In this video, I will show you how to get access token in BigCommerce. Start by opening your BigCommerce dashboard. On the left-hand panel, scroll down and click Settings. Then, under the API section, select Account-Level API Accounts. BigCommerce will redirect you to a new page where you can manage your API credentials. On the top right corner, click Create Account-Level API Account. A form will appear where you can type in a name for your token, making it easier to identify later. Next, set your OAuth scopes according to the level of access your app or integration needs. Once you're done, click Save. A pop-up window will appear showing your newly generated credentials. Scroll down to find your access token. Make sure to copy it immediately by clicking the copy icon on the right side. BigCommerce will not show this token again for security reasons. And that's how to get access token in BigCommerce.